Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi, welcome to the next video. In the previous video, I talked about head and shoulder pattern, how to identify them, how to do entries, and how to do stop loss, and even how to do a price projection for them. Right now, I want to cover the next reversal pattern. Remember, we talked about reversal and continuation pattern. I'll talk about the next reversal pattern, which is called double top, okay, or double bottom. Okay, the same thing apply for both. Okay, so in double top, what happened is you have this move. Okay, let me draw this higher. Okay, you have this move over here. Okay, and let me go through this few things again this time round. Okay, in head and shoulders, there's 3 top, okay, 3 high. In double top, there is only 2 high, and the highs are usually about equal. Okay, about equal. Okay, so what can we observe when we see this double top? Again, reversal pattern doesn't happen very often. Okay, reversal pattern is when you say, hey, the high is already formed, now it's going to reverse. Okay, so there are a few things that you need to take note. One is the volume. Okay, volume again, and in this volume compared to this volume is usually lower compared to this volume. This volume here is usually higher. Okay, that is the first thing about volume. Second thing is on trend line again. Okay, trend line we will see usually a trend line will be broken. Okay, that means the second move after this peak is formed, there will be a big move or an impulsive move down that may cause the price to break the trend line. This is the second thing about trend line. Okay, the third thing is neckline. So the neckline this time round, you will use this low here to do the neckline. Okay, so the neckline will become here where this 2 peak is formed. Next is price projection. So in price projection, what do? You actually use the height of this part, okay, the height of this part, and project it downwards this way. Okay, so this L here now will become the L over here as the price projection, and pull back again. The price may pull back before coming down again in this manner. Okay. One more thing to take note is the break of the volume. When usually the price break, the volume may increase. Okay, these are the things to take note in what we call double top. Okay, it also applies to triple top. So, example, we have 3 high here, a triple top. The way of identifying the chart pattern is the same. Okay, it's the same of how you identify a double top. Okay, so first thing first, you must be able to identify this pattern using all these hints to tell you, hey, possible there is a double top forming. Okay, so where is the place where you actually can take a trade? Okay, where can you actually take a trade in this manner? Okay, so first thing first is, of course, you can be very early. You can be very early. So when you're very early over here, okay, what happened is you only have 1 high here. You only have a high, very high volume over here, and a second high being formed over here at a lower volume. Okay, I will expand this part out again. So from here, right, you have this price that make new high, and then after that, price come down with the lower volume. So what you can do is in a very early stage, you can actually do a short here and put a stop loss on top. So you do a short here and put a stop loss on top. You do a short here and a stop loss on top. Okay, so this is one way of doing a very early entry. Okay, and your target price will be possible to, the first target can be up to the neckline or even the price projection up to this price here. So if you enter very early, you can even consider take some profit over here, because this is actually your support level, or you can actually leave some for the break of the support line here, and then wait for it to hit the target price over here. That's also another way of entering. Okay, so the second way of entering is same thing. You can actually enter after it breaks the trend line, which is over here, and then put a stop loss above here. By then, when you enter here, there are a few other hints that you are able to look at. One of the hints is a trend line. By then, the trend line will be broken. Okay. By then, you will be able to see the volume here and here. You'll be able to see the volume is lower at this peak. By then, you'll be able to see a break of this trend line. You'll be able to see the increase in volume also. Okay. So you have a more confirmed signal, but maybe the target price possible can be lesser because you now enter here. Your target is only until here. Okay, and the third way, okay, I write this down. The first way is to enter here. Okay, the second way, enter here. And the third way is actually to enter over here on the pullback. Okay, so at the pullback, the third signal, you can also enter over here. This is when the price goes down and then make a new high again. Sorry, not make a recent high again. Then you have a lower high, and then you can do a short over here, and your target price is over here. You put a stop loss above this neckline or above the swing high. Okay, so this is how you can actually trade a double top or even triple top. Same thing apply for double bottom and triple bottom. Okay, these are the things you can use to help you to identify and trade the pattern. Okay, on top of that, you can use things like indicators to help you to have a more confirmed signal. Okay, just to take note of one thing, you see in technical analysis, there's only double top and triple top. There isn't fourple top or fipple top. Okay, why is it so? Okay, why is it so that when you only have a double top? Okay, so this is something to take note. Okay, so in chart pattern, right, it's very interesting. People observe, right, that if a top is formed, maximum the top it will form, right, is a 3 top. Okay, it's 3 top. By the time it tests the 4th time, what it means to you is possible. This is not a reversal pattern. We talk about reversal pattern means from high go low, right? Possible, this is not a reversal pattern, but this is more of a continuation pattern. That means likelihood after it tests so many times, likelihood it may go even higher. So that's the reason why there isn't a fourple top or a fipple top. After 3 times, when you give you opportunity to short, it doesn't doesn't hit your target price. That means the chance of it going higher is become higher. Okay, so by the time you do your fourple top, four time top, there is not a good entry for short already. Okay, so there is something to take note. Same thing for bottom. For bottom, there isn't 4 bottom or 5 bottom. So by the time you have a chart pattern that tests 4th time, 5th time, that means the price may be going to go down furthermore. Okay, so it's not good to actually do a reversal to buy up again. Okay, so this is one extra distinction for you for double top or triple top or double bottom and triple bottom. I hope it is useful for you. Okay, if you have any question or any comments, can comment in the comments box below. Okay, if not, then thank you. See you at the next video. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.